Wait lang. Kapit ka sa akin. Vlog pa mo. What's up guys, this is Rizal Shrine and welcome back to my channel. So today is another travel vlog and we are here at Dakak beach here at Dapitan City in Mindanao, and I am with my family. Finally, naka-check in away. Good for 10 people, dormitory type. We're here today at Dakak Beach Park.
Yeah, and I don't have my bag. I left it at Buruun.
So
I forgot my clothes.
Yeah.
so she will just
Music
swim like
car.
that, or else she's gonna buy clothes at the shop.
Worth 500.
Worth 500. Ay, sige pa nga siya ulit. Utro-putro ba kasi J. Estrada o kay shorts. Mag-boxer ka ron.
Yeah. Walam ni Miggy.
Walam ni Miggy, size 27. Sorry. Kadawat na ako ang kamatulong nga size 31 ko. So in case ka man regalo mo guys, size 31. Char. Bye!
Saan ka vlogger?
Bye! Di ba ito mahawag dali ko yun? Wait lang. Kapit ka sa akin. Vlog pa mo. Sana orasan. Stress lang ako. Kanya. Wala ko. Naligo pa eh. Wala pa ko yung short kaya na nang palag-pink. So finally,
we have clothes.
nag-change ako sa kuwang short. Nag-ipalit kita. Na-fank. Na-fank. And let's go. Enjoy the beach. Come on.
Yeah. Singing this song, I see I was wrong. To tame you down, I was the clown. I'm singing this song, I see I was wrong. To tame you down, I was the clown.
Hey guys, so muna may og swim ganiya sa pool and sa beach, diba Antibeds? And we are now here at Gloria di Dapitan, and we're gonna ride some Ferris wheel, ante. Yes. We're gonna ride some roller coasters. Yeah, karon manakay na sad mi og rides. And busog kayo mi from dinner, so good luck sa musuka.
Yourself a merry little Christmas night.
So just so you know, ang ticket sa Dakak includes free breakfast and free entrance diri sa Fantasyland. That's why naami diri karon sa Fantasyland. Say hi to the vlog. Go! Come on! Let's ride!
Hi guys.
That's right.
With outfit.
With outfit. Ayaw lang, sama agad. No, let it snow! Let's ride roller coaster, Antibida. Go! Huh? Ako rin yung sa akin din. So, amo ni try ka rin. Oh my God, this is my first time doing this gun. Pero sa Star City nakasakay ko og similar. Pero I think kaning sarap na siya katuyok. Pero let's try. Diba? Antibida. We can do this. Yeah, how was it, Antibida?
So fantastic.
Grabe.
Fantastic ko.
Wala na ka nalipong, Antibida.
Nalipong na ka dyan?
Wala man. More rides. Next ride na punta. Hey guys, so manami og rides and tulo lang sa ka-rides ang isa kay nya kapoy na dayon, lipong na dayon, mana gore na. Di ba? Gore na. Dili na makaya ang pila ka rides na ako ano kay malipong na dayon tawa na. Here at Fantasyland, nice shows diri. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and peace and love.
Take a closer look and see.
morning guys. So last night we had fun sa Fantasyland. And then wala na po tayo kagabi, energy kagabi para mag-vlog para good night. And and then we are here at so many China money. And we will have our breakfast right now. It's so dark, you can see me there. Let's go and eat our dinner. Breakfast day.
Diet.
Kasad mga ano tagay. Eat. Hey guys, so we are here at our last destination here at Dapitan City, which is the Rizal Shrine. So this is where our Philippine national hero was exiled before, during his time. So we are going to explore with the family. Let's go! Guys, mo ni ang balay ni Rizal sa una. Over there sa likod mo na ang kitchen ni Rizal sa una. Ano na yung wishing well. Kanya
Yung kaliguan.
Kaliguan. Mamisita kami sa balay ni Rizal. Yeah, Josephine, nice to meet you. Ay, si Dumot ya, Josephine. Ha? Yawag daw Josephine. Ay, Josephine. Liyak na diha ka. Ayun, ay pansit diha.
Pila man imong karandang.
Balik 20.
Kaon na taano.
Luto lang.
Luto lang pansit, di ba?
Dali mga libugat. Luto lang adobo diha.
Oh, di humba.
Umba.
Nay pansit.
So what have you learned so far? Patay. What have you learned so far? Dilakaw. So guys, mo ni siya nga bato. Dira kadit-dit lang ni Sal o si Josephine Bracken. Dira sila nag-propose o dira sila nagkasal. No, so dira sila nag-love-love. Ang bato kay witness ilahan. Love-love. Egat.
Ikaw mo dobe, Red. Alam, Tita Red.
So that's it for today, and hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and
Share, fish, and love.